Comments don't perform any function when the code runs. It's only designed for whoever views the code, whether it's yourself or the team. Comments appear in C++, Java, C#, Python, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, and even SQL. Different syntax, but the same purpose. Some programming languages do have comment blocks, like C++ or Java, whereas some programming languages don't, like Python. As the name implies, comment blocks allow multi-line comments. If someone leaves the company after 10 years, comments can be a nice way to understand what the code does. Another use for comments that beginners use is to hide the code that kind of works, basically a trial and error, without actually removing the code. I say beginner because a team will usually use version control instead. Some professionals argue that you shouldn't use comments at all, that if your code is readable and named properly, you don't need comments. For example, a function that adds two numbers 2 and 3 isn't really needed because it doesn't really add any new context and just wastes space and time. I personally believe comments should add real context, otherwise don't bother.